Today is our checkout day.
It is. We are sad. We are leaving.
We just came from breakfast and
to the 12,000 people who know us now, and they're all sad to see us leave.
we'll be missing our new friends and hope to see them again when we come back.
Absolutely.
Because we'll definitely be coming back.
Oh, this is such a beautiful place. I mean,
gorgeous.
You can't beat it. The walking keeps you exercised from place to place, and the food is fabulous. The drinks are ever flowing. You know, that's what you get with all-inclusive. You don't have to worry about anything else on top of it.
Right.
Of course, tipping is nice.
Yes, tipping is always appreciated, but
Not expected.
Unless you're, buying an excursion or anything, you don't need to pay for anything additional
Right.
here. Once you're here, you're treated extremely well, regardless of whether you tip, regardless of whether you pay extra money.
Right.
It's fantastic.
It really is. It's paradise found. Bahia Principe. Check it out.
Last breakfast today. Don't want to be too full on the plane and the 2-hour car ride to the airport, so just doing a waffle and some yogurt. Robin hasn't gotten anything yet. She's just got some water and some Coke, letting her stomach relax before we have to head towards the airport. You definitely don't want to leave any food on your table in the buffet because a bird will get to it. So if you leave anything, make sure you leave somebody at your table to get it, because the buffet is completely open air, which is great for COVID, but bad for when you don't want birds to fly through while you're eating.
Don't feed them.
Here's a room tour of room 4021 4021. It's right here on the 3rd floor. Here's your view from the front door balcony. Got some coconuts just to your left. And as we enter the room, you can see this wonderful view. I'll go ahead and just get that out of the way first, since that is the selling point to this room, is this amazing view of not only the pool but the ocean. There's a full 360 view from the balcony. That is the property. Here's the pool, and just beyond is the ocean. Just to the right is the restaurant Tequila. As you can see, they've got lots of shaded chairs and lots of beds if you like to use them. This pool is extremely empty most of the day. This is a very relaxing pool. It's called the Quiet Pool. The balcony, they give you some towel racks as well as a table and 2 chairs. Walking back into the room, we have a decent couch, and there's the 55-inch TV. Beside the bed, you have one USB as well as light switches, as well as a reading light if you like, on either side of the bed. And then on the main table, you have light switches and some European outlets. There's only one American style outlet in the room, that's right here, in case you need to plug in more than the two USBs that they give you. There's a king size bed. Here's the mini fridge. They will stock it for you daily with whatever you like. If you want things, tell them. They will be happy to stock them for you. We wanted diet sodas, so they took out all the sugar sodas and brought us nothing but diet. There's of course a safe as always. Here's the closet. And here's your hangers for any of your dresses or coats or anything. And then there's one more section over here with a small ironing board and an iron and an umbrella. It does rain here occasionally as it's in the tropics, and that tends to happen occasionally. Here is the bathroom area. There's a nice, decent vanity with a mirror. This is the shower. Now, as you can see in the shower, they have these glass blocks. You cannot really see in through them. You can see some shadows while people are in them. And then also when you're sleeping, it's impossible to block the light from these. So if the sun does come up on the side of the glass blocks, it is going to come in straight through and into the bed area. And then this is the toilet closet. As you can see, there's a mirror here. When it opens, the light comes on, and that is the toilet area. And then while you're in it, it is a see-through mirror, so you can be seen in here, just so you're aware if that's an issue for you. If not, then this is certainly not an issue. But this is one of the features of the renovated rooms, along with the glass blocks. Inside the shower, the door swings both ways, in and out. We recommend only swinging it inwards, as there is a plastic lip that can flip back and forth, and water can get out if you open it outward. So it is better if you open it inwards, but it does open both ways. Here's the shower head. It's a rainfall shower head. It's very nice. It does the job. Also, there is a massage wand, and the water, of course, can go in either or both. And then when you're in the shower, there's a shelf with shower gel and conditioner and shampoo, and you can put any soaps or anything you bring and need. And the shower is certainly large enough to spin around and stand up. I'm 6'2", and as you can see, there is plenty of clearance here for me. And the shower door is a bit on the opaque side. So just so you're aware, if you're a family sharing the room with other families or something along those lines, that is something you might want to make a note of. The couch is also a pull-out in case you need extra sleep space. And
pull out into probably a full size, or maybe even a twin.
Yeah, it's probably a full size or a twin.
Full.
And then there's also, of course, a table and a chair in the room. Underneath the table, there's a secondary table that can be pulled out and used if necessary. There's some artwork on the walls. That's the back of the mirror. And then over here is your air conditioning. It is, of course, set at Celsius. So just make note of that and set it to your liking. And there is a ceiling fan if you don't want the air, or if you want it to enhance the air. There's also a side table with a drawer on each side of the bed, and a large mirror in between. This is what the room looks like with the curtains closed. So as you can see, some light does get in on the bottom of the curtain. And if you don't hold them together, some light will get through between the curtains. So if you need a real dark room to sleep, it gets light rather early here. In-room television for those times when you need some downtime in the room and don't have energy or desire to be outside is very convenient. Not only do they offer a number of channels, HBO, Paramount Channel, the Warner Channel, as well as several news and sports channels, but it also allows you to connect your own YouTube and Netflix accounts to the TV so that you can watch whatever you're used to watching. You can just go over to the media and cast. Also, you can go to, there's a content button on the remote. You can just press that. As you can see, here's where you can log into Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, or the internet. I didn't mess with that, or I didn't even hook my my Netflix account up. I did connect my YouTube account. We watched that while we were here. The main screen on the TV also allows you to book your restaurants and dinings. There's a book your dinners now selection here, as well as giving you all the times and information on all the restaurants that are at your current resort. It's not going to list the restaurants that are over at Luxury Aka Mall or Cien Con, but you can get those on their internet page if you need. Now it's time for our hour-and-a-half transportation ride to the airport, and then we'll be on our way home to Texas. We are sad. We really miss this place. It was one of the best vacations we've ever had. We've cruised all over the world, and this is certainly up there with the best of them.